guys, welcome back to another video. I know I haven't uploaded in a long time and I'm really sorry about that. Also, happy late April Fools. Today's video is about relaxing your mind. Have you ever been really tense and every muscle in your body is just all tense? Well, this is how you can relax your mind and therefore relax your body. The first tip or trick is to clean your work area. For example, if there's a lot of clutter in your room, sometimes people can get really tense when they see their messy room. Therefore, the easiest solution is to clean out your room or workspace. I have another video about that. Anyways, that's not today's video. The second tip or trick is to listen to music. Music is really good for your body and mind. If you have an Alexa, then you should listen to this playlist called the Top 50 Most Played. It's a really nice playlist and I would recommend it if you want to listen to some pretty cool music. The third tip is to just say later. The mind is probably tense because the thought keeps on bugging you over and over again. A tip is to count to 10, then tell yourself that you can solve your problem later and it's not the time to deal with it now. If you want, you can say that anytime to close that annoying thought. And the last tip is to eat something. I know it's interesting, but eating can help you relax a lot. Avoid foods that jazz you up. Probably don't drink any coffee, artificial ingredients, or sugar. Drink plenty of water and eat whole foods instead of processed foods. Thank you so much for watching. I know this was a short video. I hope you can relax your mind with 4 steps. See you next time.